Namaste and welcome everybody. In my today's video, I will be talking about three types of pranayams. Pranayams are just a way in which we regulate our breath, which has numerous benefits for our body. So the first thing we'll be starting with is Anulom, Vilom, or the alternate nostril pranayam. Now, there are two ways in which this can be done. One is by holding our breath and the other is without holding the breath. So people who are suffering from any cardiac issues or heart problems, similarly people having the problem of high blood pressure and pregnant women will do it the second way, that is without holding their breath. So to get started with, sit in any comfortable posture. You could either sit on the floor or on the chair, wherever you're comfortable, keeping your spine straight. You will use your right hand. Your right thumb has to cover your right nostril, and you will use your little finger and your ring finger to cover your left nostril. So first we'll do it with the breath retention, wherein we will hold the breath. So the counting which I like to follow is 3-6-3, which means you will inhale for 3 counts, you will hold your breath for 6 counts, and then exhale again for 3 counts. So let's see how to do that. Right thumb covers the right nostril. The left nostril is covered by the little finger and the ring finger. So you will inhale from the right side for 3 counts. You will close both your nostrils and hold your breath for 6 counts. Then slowly exhaling from the left side. Now again you will inhale from the left side for 3 counts. Closing both your nostrils, you will hold your breath for 6 counts again. And slowly you will exhale from the right side. And second thing we'll be doing is Kapalbhati, which is great to digest your food, or for that matter even to clean out your lungs completely. So in case there's any stale air, Kapalbhati is a wonderful technique to regulate the entire respiratory system. How we do it is the inhalation has to be very passive and the exhalation has to be active. So I want you to focus on your abdomen and then exhale with a little force without tensing your facial muscles or your shoulders. So your shoulders have to be relaxed, your facial muscles have to be relaxed. So you will keep your one hand on your abdomen just so that you can focus there. Okay, you will inhale. So it's okay if you are going very slow. What I did just now is the way beginners do it. So you need not use a lot of force. You need not do it very fast. It can be slow and steady. The last thing we'll be doing is the Brahmari pranayam or the humming bee pranayam. Now this can be done by all and this is suitable for all people. This is amazing for those who have high blood pressure, and this will really help you concentrate better, and it will give you a lot of other benefits in terms of calming your nervous system, helping you deal with stress in a much better manner. So how you do it is you can keep your hands on your lap. You will inhale, and as you exhale, you will make the humming bee sound. Okay, so the sound which is similar to a humming bee. You will inhale. And then relax. So as you are exhaling, you will make this sound, and at the same time your abdomen will be pushed inwards. So I hope you guys liked my today's video. If you enjoyed the video today, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends so that most people can benefit from these yogic techniques. Bye bye until I see you in my next video.